Alright, so before watching this video, I want to go over some concepts with you. The first concept is domestic violence. What is domestic violence? Any ideas? Violence in the context of a relationship between a man and a woman? Okay. According to Oxford Dictionary, domestic violence is violence taking place inside the home. Most of the time, it's in the context of a romantic relationship. The second concept I want to look at with you is status quo. So, what is status quo? Any ideas? No? Okay. Status quo means that the situation doesn't change. It remains the same. So this is the current situation now. So, for example, if we have inequality, it means that the inequality will stay if we preserve the status quo. Okay? So, try to take note of these concepts and listen for them during the video. Okay, so let's watch the video closely a first time. And remember to take note of the main ideas in the big box of your Cornell note-taking sheet.
That feels the violence that affects 2 out of 3 women from all backgrounds in the Pacific.
Alright, so after listening to this video a first time, what do you think are some of the main ideas expressed in this video? Hung? Wrong beliefs can lead to violence? Yeah, that's right. That's a good idea. Okay. Huyen? Socialization of children is an important step to counter domestic violence. That's also a good idea. Okay, I can see you've got good ideas already. So, let's try and listen to the video a second time now. Make sure to write down any ideas you might have missed during the first listen. After this, you will have to write down questions about those ideas, okay? So let's listen to the video a second time.
Has caused domestic violence. Let's rewind and see when
Alright, so now that we listened to the video a second time, I want you to each create 3 different comprehension questions about the ideas you have found in this video. After this, we will have an activity where you will each ask the questions to your classmates to test their comprehension. You can write down the comprehension questions on the column on the left of your Cornell note-taking sheet. Alright, so now that you've finished writing down your questions, I want everyone to get up. Get up. Alright, so come to the front of the class. Yes? Okay. Everyone stand in front of one another, okay? Now, I want you to each ask one question to the person in front of you. One of the questions you've written down. Then the person will answer that question. They will ask you another question, and you will answer their question. Alright? When you're done, you will switch to the person on your right. And then the other person in front of you will also switch to the person on your right, on their right. You'll go around like this, and once you're done and you passed everyone, that will be the end of the exercise. Any questions? No questions? Alright, let's go. Alright, so after listening to this video 2 times and asking all these questions, you must have a pretty good grasp on what the main idea in this video was. So can you tell me about that now? Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Yes. Yes. The belief that men are more important than women is the root cause of domestic violence and also of gender inequality. So, that's why education is so important to change this belief. As a next activity, we will do exactly this. You will do a research about this topic. You will find an example of gender inequality in your country, and you will create a video to promote awareness and to tell other people about this problematic. This way, maybe we will improve the situation in your country. So, I will give you all of the necessary information to create your video right now. Okay? Let's do it. As you can see on this instruction sheet, I have given you some very specific instructions for your video. I have also given you a list of websites to do your research. You can also take your information on other websites, but these are suggestions to help you get your information. When you finished your video, you will post it on YouTube, and we will view it in the class on Monday. If your video is of a good enough quality, we might be able to even communicate with the local media and have your video on TV. Okay? So try your best.